guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can display your shells using this, I don't know what it's called, the Coral Seashell Display Dome. So you get it from the Ocean Cleanup Hobby. So go to collection here, and if you have enough stars, which is 90, you will get the item. Well, it's a recipe, so you do have to build it first, so let's do that. We are going to go to the crafting room here, and we are going to craft the display dome. And again, to get stars, you need like shells that are like 5 stars and stuff like that. Here, I'll show you so you understand what I mean. If you go to Ocean Cleanup, for instance, I add another star, like I obtain another shell with 5 stars, I'll get 1 star. So it's like 1, and then like if I get, for instance, a 3-star shell, it's going to add 2 stars to the hobby. Now we are just going to get the item that we just crafted, if I can just find it, which is here. Place. I'm going to place it like outside, I think here. I want to place it next to my aquarium, so let's do that. Just place it right about here. Okay. Rotate that. And you can press on it and you can display your shells here. So let's get this for instance, and then I'm just going to add on some more. I want to have like the pretty shells on top. Let's add the star one here actually. Try this one. Can't really see that. So let's just do that. And then I'm going to add the Nautilus one. I really like the Nautilus one they have. And then I'm going to add the cone snail. Oh, I have this as well. I just realized that. There, I'll add the star here. Then I'll add some more, some finishing touches. Save, and this is what it looks like. You can also turn it on and off. It's kind of like a lamp, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!